Hey guys, I am going to show you how to log on to your online OneNote classroom notebook. And here's what you do. First of all, you open up your web browser and you're going to type in office.com. And hopefully you're logged in through your school account, your img.education account. And you're going to see an array of icons here. You're going to go to the one that says OneNote. And you're going to click on it. And at the top of your screen here, you're going to see some tabs here. Recent, My Notebooks, Shared with Me, and Class Notebooks. If you go to Class Notebooks, you should see your class here. It's going to be my name, followed by biology, and then your class. So we're going to click on this one here, Widhalm Biology A1. And once you get to the notebook, the main thing that you're going to want to be concerned with is the content library right here. So maybe expand on that a little bit. There it is. So content library is the one that you want. And if you click there, you're going to see daily schedule, notes, and assignments. And you're pretty much good to go. I'll click on the daily schedule. And there's the January 30th. Let's look at Monday. That's tomorrow. And there you have it. So that's how you use your OneNote classroom notebook. Thanks a lot. Have a good night.